Alright guys, so I'm just in the park chilling with my boys, chilling with my wife and that, but I wanted to quickly show you a trade that me and the mentees got into. It was a sick trade, nice smart money reversal, and we took it straight to liquidity. So anyway guys, before we get into that video, smash the thumbs up button. Let's try and get 400 likes in this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. What's good family, it's your man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we managed to catch a 1 to 60R trade on GBP USD. So let's get into the video. Alright family, so right now you can see GBP/USD. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the mentorship group where I'm dropping all the chart analysis so you can actually see what's going on, where we actually started buying from, and I'm actually in that very first buy still till today right now. Here's the mentorship group. You can see right here is where I started buying GBP/USD. As you can see, this one down here, so this is roughly about that 36.80 level, right? So this is where I actually jumped in my very first buy. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the next piece of analysis because I want to show you that too. So this is the next piece of analysis. This is like on the 25th of March. You can see what's happening here now. And so now GU starts trading towards the money. Now we go fully bullish on this pair. No holding back. There's money sitting and resting above here. So now we're trading towards that money. We're trading towards the liquidity. As you can see, price traded up once, kind of creating like a triple top. And now it's running out that liquidity. All right, family. So now you can see what's going on with GBP/USD. So this is, what day is this now? So this, I believe, is the same day. Same day. You can see now GBP/USD is now turning into a swing position. Start seeking previous day's liquidity, and now all we're doing right now is we're trading towards the money. As you can see down here, GBP/USD creates another set of equal highs and then runs that out. You can see another set of equal highs over here that is looking to run out, and so now what's happening is GBP/USD is switching market flow and it's now heading back up, and so now we're going super bullish on this pair and we start trading even higher. Now I'm going to take you straight to the analysis where I show the group where I believe GBP/USD is going to go to potentially before reversing, and so this is how we managed to catch that 1 to 63R trade all the way back down. Alright family, so this is on the 29th of March. So now this is what we're saying. I'm saying literally down here, GBP/USD is going to get to this level down here. So my level came in at roughly about 38.36-ish. But what I was going to do was I was going to wait for a reversal sign once it got up into this area and then take it lower. So what I wasn't going to do, which is what I used to do back in the day, was I used to, once it got to the area, I would just jump in. I don't do that. I don't do that stuff. And so this is exactly why I wait for a reversal sign before taking it to the opposite direction. Like I said, 29th, I believe this is the 29th of March right now. And I'm telling the team that, look, this is the area I believe GU is going to, right down here. Now moving on, as you can see, look, it taps it to the T. Look at that, to the T's. I mean, right to the T. Taps it right to the T and it starts reversing. And so now this is just basically where we're waiting for that reversal sign before taking it lower. And so this is where patience comes in. This is where not trying to chase the trade comes in, because you're seeing it reversing and all of that stuff. This is where your patience levels kick in. This is what I'm going to show you now. So this is where price got to. As you can see, price got to this level, yeah, that 36 level. This is where it tapped it to the T, had a small little reversal, and then it came back up to the area. And so what I wanted to show you was on the 30-minute time frame, these candlesticks here, these up close candles, so I consider these as one candlestick over here. And so what I would do then is I would then mark up this candlestick from top to bottom and mark up 50% of this area. So this is where that trade came to, the buy. As you can see, the buy, it came to this level down here. So now I'm going to take you down to the smaller time frames to show you what I'm seeing. So family, so now it's the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, we've tapped this level to the T, that's 36, but it doesn't mean you just jump in straight. Even if you just jumped in here, you still would have caught a nice move. But then once you get that reversal sign, that's when price really wants to move. So as you can see, first of all, look at this, boom. We can see up here, what did price do? Price generated liquidity. So this was equal highs. It was also some form of consolidation. And you guys know what's above equal highs. There's people's money up there. People's money is above that level right there. And you know, price is drawn towards the money. So that means if there's money up here, price is going to run out that liquidity. Yeah, it did a little small shallow run here and then drop down. Also, the targets were going to be these equal lows down here. These are the equal lows. As you can see, they didn't run this money out. They didn't take the money. So this would have been the target where the money is. We always trade towards the money. Trade towards the money, family. I can't stress that enough. I can't say it enough to you guys. Trade towards the money, everything changes. We don't trade like retail traders, just do higher highs and higher lows and stuff like that. We trade towards the money because price is drawn towards the money. One more time, they started buying from here to get to this level. So this is where I'm going to target. I'm going to target where they started buying from, which is down here. Once we get the smart money reversal, as you can see, look at this. We have the equal highs over here. You know what's above there. Retail traders are jumping in early. And you know what, real talk, if they had like a decent stop loss, they would have firmed this move and they would have caught a nice move too. but then they ran out liquidity. It was just a little shallow run, just a little tease. Anyone who tried to risk free their trade, or anyone who, you know, tightened up their stop loss, they would have got taken here, right? This is where I jumped in, right here at 38.45 over here, and then it started breaking lower. And like I said, we targeted the money. The money's down here. The money's down here. There was chances to re-enter the trade as well. So as you can see, price broke down lower, as you can see, and then pushed back up into this candlestick over here, and then plummeted again. Now check this out, family. Price dropped, as you can see, and it dropped quite significantly. To get to this liquidity down here, that was a 1 to 63 R trade. 1 to 63 R trade, which is absolutely crazy. The whole mentees were catching this. They were all ecstatic. So everybody was running it up and then running it back down. It was a beautiful play. We caught the move up, we caught the move down. It was sweet. And there wasn't no copy and pasting, right? This is the mentees using what they've learned in the group, right? And applying that knowledge, and then making that decision to jump in these trades as well. So beautiful stuff. And this is why I celebrate my mentees. My mentees are catching all kinds of R's, right? So which is absolutely phenomenal, crazy. So shout out to you guys right now. So check this out, price starts trading lower and price gets down to this level, which is that 64 level. And as you can see, look what happens. I always tell you this, sometimes they do this. And I tell you this stuff all the time, family. When they get close to a level where there's liquidity, there's normally a response before it taps the liquidity. Normally, you know, people kind of take that and be, okay, cool, price is gonna start reversing now. No, look, when they don't run out liquidity, they generate more liquidity down there. They generate more liquidity down there. And so in other words, what happens then is this, price would then come down to tap that liquidity. Yeah, to tap, as you can see, tap the liquidity as it did, as you can see. Yeah, the money was tapped over here, and then this became a 1 to 63 R trade, and done deals, game over. Absolutely amazing trade. It was a phenomenal trade. So this was actually one of the best trades throughout the whole week. We caught it up, we caught it down, and guess what? It came on a Monday, folks. Just one more thing just to show you, look how they ran out the liquidity. Liquidity was down here. All these candlesticks, it was that one wick, the wickage. The wick took the liquidity. Do you see it? And game done. Done deals, right out the trade. So guys, I just wanted to show you guys how we ran that up. Okay, we ran that up from top to bottom, you know, and I say we because my mentees were fully involved in this too. Once again, one more time, using that institutional play off of that 30-minute time frame, we saw a smart money reversal. Check this out one more time. Price breaks down. Price breaks down. It breaks down. As you can see, it then trades back up, but you have to think about where is it going to go to. We identified this candlestick here. This is exactly where they wanted to go to before reversing. They got to this level. We marked up 50% of this level. As you can see, 50% of that level, and then what happened, price then started, gave us a little mini reversal, but you don't panic, and then once you get that reversal sign, you then trade that towards the money. You see it? Towards the money. And then that turned out to be a 1 to 63 R trade. It was an absolutely phenomenal trade. It was only a 1 to 63 because my stop loss was really small. I had a 1.4 pip stop loss. And so yeah, that was just phenomenal, family. It was just amazing. You know, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. I wanted to give you guys some knowledge, drop some nuggets for you guys so you guys can understand how I was trading this pair. Obviously now I'm super bullish on this pair. I'm in tons of trades going up. I'm in loads of trades going up from the bottom, and we're riding it to the top as well. So I'm super bullish on this pair. I do believe that we should be beating this high. Technically, look, there's equal highs up here. As you can see, there's equal highs up here. So ideally, look, if the money price is drawn towards the money, right? So technically we can get up here. We can get up here. This is GU. GU can get up here. It's nothing for GU. But obviously what we need to see is a continuation. So once it beats this high, it might beat the high, pull back, and then go again. You know, we wait and see for that. So it could reverse roughly about these levels here, 3900, 3910, and then pull back and then go for the money. But we'll wait and see. If you guys want me to keep you guys up to date with this, drop a comment down below, you know, so we can run up GU together as well. Anyway, family, that's going to be the end of the video. If you like the video, definitely smash the thumbs up button. Let's try and smash 400 likes in this video. Also, guys, if you want that mentorship, if you want to be understanding how the market moves, getting that thought process behind these moves, then holler at me on Instagram. My Instagram is @Harrisonuwah. Get that mentorship going. Start learning how these markets are actually moving and stop trading like those retail traders. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching the video. Peace.